सेक्रेटरी साहब तालीम राय तालीमी अवार्ड्स।
अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। Beloved Huzur, I will humbly request Huzur Anwar to award the following members. This educational award for their excellent achievements includes a medal, a certificate, and a copy of the Holy Quran, both with the signature of Hazrat Amirul Mu'minin Ta'ala bin Rasul Aziz. First of all, I will request Hamid Nasir Bhutto, who had achieved 6 A stars, 3 A's, and 1 distinction in GCSE. Then Sohrab Ahmed Sahib, 11 A star in the GCSE. Then Asabul Tahir Sahib, 7 A star and 2 A's in the GCSE. Then Sarmad Ehsan Suhail Sahib, 6 A stars, 4 A's and 1 B. And then Barakallahu lakum, Hayan Anjum Bhatt Sahib, who achieved 10 A star in the GCSE. Then we have Taleh Masood Cheema Sahib, who achieved 11 A star in the GCSE. Usama Mahmood Hamid Sahib, next is 10 A star in the GCSE. Then Fahim Ahmad Malik Sahib, 10 A star in the GCSE. And after that, I will request Mustafa Rehan Sahib, who are a bit unwell, but he has come to receive his prize. And after him, it should be Hanif Ahmad Marti Sahib, who has achieved 11 A stars and 1 A in GCSE. Hanif Ahmad Marti Sahib, 11 A star, and then Azhar Ahmad Mirza Sahib, 4 A star, international 4 A stars, then 1 A star and 5 A's in GCSE. Next we have Qasim Abdul Salam Sahib, who is also unwell. On his behalf, his father Ahmad Salam Sahib is receiving he has achieved 8 A stars and 3 A's. Then we have Babar Naeem Sahib, who has achieved in A level 1 A star, 2 A's and 1 B in AS level. And after him we have Taha Ahmad Malik Sahib, who have achieved 4 A star in A level. And after Taha Sahib, there is Ramiz Ahmad Sahib, who has achieved 2 A star, 1 A and 1 B in AS level. 2 A star and 1 A in A level and 1 B in AS level. Then Nail Safir Ahmad Sahib, who has achieved 1 A star, 2 A's in A level and 2 A's in AS level. And after him, Minhal Mahmood Sahib, who had 3 A's in A level, and beside that he has another A in AS level. Then we have Mubarak Ahmad Wasim Sahib, who achieved 3 A's and 1 B in A level. And then we have Aqil Anjum Bhatt Sahib, who achieved 2A star, 1A in A level and 1A in AS level. And then next is Muhammad Luqman Munib Sahib, who held BSc Engineering First Class Honours in Digital Media Engineering from Surrey University. And then Imran Deen Sahib, who has done BSc First Class Honours in Investment and Financial Risk Management from Caste Business School. And then after him, Mudassar Ahmed Sahib, BSc First Class Honours in Electrical and Electronic Engineering from Manchester University. Then Khayyam Amin Sahib, who has done Bachelor of Law First Class Honours from London School of Economics and Political Science. And after that we have Muhammad Atif Bisharat Sahib, who has completed his MSc in Telecommunication Engineering with 95 marks from University of Malaga. And after that we have Dr. Tariq Tarha Sahib, who is not here, but on his behalf, Wadud Ahmed Sahib is collecting. He has done PhD in engineering from Warwick University. And after him it should be that Mansoor Ahmed Sahib, who has also done PhD in chemistry with industrial calibration from Warwick University again. Dr. Mansoor Sahib. And after that, Dr. Tawseef Ahmed Khan Sahib, who has completed his PhD in epidemiology from London School of Hygiene and Tropical Medicine. And after that, Dr. Qamar Sultan Gohar Sahib, who has completed his PhD in electronic engineering and physics from University of Dundee. And then I invite Dr. Naveed Ahmed Malik Sahib, who completed his PhD in theoretical neuroscience from Warwick University. And then Dr. Andreas Georgios Kafisas, who has also completed his PhD in chemistry from University College London. And after him is Dr. Muhammad Fateh Ahmed Sahib, who has completed his FRCS in plastic surgery. Then I invite Dr. Muhammad Shahnawaz Rashid Sahib, who completed his FRCS in general surgery, and he has also completed PhD this year, so he has 2 medals. And then I invite Dr. Tahir Kamran Sahib, who has completed FRCS in urology. And then after him is Dr. Asim Salim Sahib. He is done Fellowship of College of Emergency and Medicine. And then we have Dr. Mahmood Ahmed Sahib, who has completed MRCP. Now we have Dr. Qamar Ahmed Hamad Khan Sahib, his fellowship in pediatric and child care. And Dr. Abdul Ala Quraishi Sahib, who has completed his MPhil in DNA research in thyroid cancer from Cambridge. And after that, we have Dr. Sardar Badr Munir Ahmed Sahib, who has completed PhD from London South Bank University. And after that, we have some prizes which are originally from Pakistan. We invite Dr. Nafis Sahib, who did his MSc with 3rd position from Pakistan. Then we have Muhammad Sajid Khan Sahab, who has also 2 medals from Pakistan. He completed BBA honors and got 1st position, and also 1st position in MBA from Pakistan. And again from Pakistan, from Saad Ahmed Waraid Sahib, but he is not here. On his behalf, Group Captain Amjad Ahmed Sahib, who is his uncle, is going to receive. He achieved 9 A's in O level. And then Ali Hassan Khalid Sahib also achieved 8 A's in O-level, and he also got the highest marks in 3 subjects nationally and 2 subjects regionally in those exams. And then we have Muhammad Imran Khan Sahib, who got first position in MSc, but on his behalf, Khalid Mahmood Sahib is going to receive. Then we have Ali Yasir Sahib, who has also completed MSc and got first position. And after that, we have Muhammad Shoaib Anwar Sahib, who completed PhD. And then we have Hasib Anwar Sahib. He had 4 A's in A-level. And as the last one is Rashid Hussain Sahib, who completed his PhD in neuroscience. Barakallahu lakum. Jazakallah Zur.